Hi, my name is Tolim Gambi and I had the privilege of being program director here at the launch of the Saint-Gobain Africa's new fiber cement manufacturing plant. Are we ready, ladies and gentlemen? 3, 2, 1.
It is a great honor to welcome you here today for the official opening of our RhinoROC fiber cement factory.
I'm here to celebrate a big move. This is the first time that we invest so much money into South Africa. This is a world-class facility. We are investing for the best that we can offer to the market.
We believe the future is here. It is the sign that the company has a great confidence in South Africa as an economy that can provide the talents and the skills so that products can be made, can be produced efficiently, not only for the local market, but also for export.
What stood out for me is the importance of investment into building materials that are being built here in South Africa. And that means you are growing jobs and you're building skills in real time.
So this investment, for me, is a signal that the group is telling our South African teams, we are serious and we are going to invest in you as well.
I think that's going to open a lot of opportunities for a lot of people.
The sheer scale is what still blows my mind. I mean, 3 years in the making and it's colossal. It's big.
One thing about Saint-Gobain, they bring out good products. Everybody loves a Saint-Gobain product, and I'm always excited to market it to the end user because I know it will be received well, and you know that you're giving your clients guaranteed quality.
It proves that Africa has its place in the world. We have the people, we have the capacity, the expertise, and I think we are hungry for investment.
Ultimately, sustainability is the name of the game because, yes, with modern buildings, it means that we also have got to be responsible about the resources we use and also being gentle to planet Earth. And I think this company has tried to bring all of that together. That, for me, is a major milestone.